Good morning, everyone, and happy Mother's Day. Carnation Bars here. Alright? So, it's Mother's Day, them say me have to cook, them say they don't want nothing fancy. So, we are doing all of the things for them. But stay tuned for the dinner segment. That's where you're going to see the real ship sail. Alright? So today, prepare some fried plantain, some roast breadfruit, so on the fire there, some okra, and saltfish. Got that in the pot going already. So stay tuned and watch where I go on. And with a little TV magic, watch this. Okay, so we have all our herbs cut up, our plantain, sweet peppers, or onions, or tomatoes, or pepper. Alright, over here we have our okra and thyme. We have our deboned already picked saltfish. We have one of the breadfruits that we have sliced up to fry. And we have another one still on the go. But we're not going to wait until that one finishes. So we're going to get these things started and get the people in breakfast out the way. Yeah. Alright? Stay tuned. Watch this again. Alright, so we have our okra and our herb sauteing. We have some plantain being fried golden brown. We still have one roasting. Alright, we haven't started that yet, and we still have our saltfish to go in. So just stay tuned. That's an easy thing because the big finale for the lunch will be coming up. What you said? You want to sit down? Okay, come in. Alright, so put in the saltfish. And you know, our saltfish not for last, our saltfish to stand up. Yeah, I come in, baby. Alright? I have some fry over there. I have another set in. Just give me a few more. I'll whip it up. Quicker and fast. So we're almost there. So we'll put some black pepper, a little ketchup to taste. You can choose whether or not you want that. Let that just caramelize a little more. Plantains are in. The breadfruits are over there, on the napkin. I'm absorbing the oil. So we're almost there. Wow, this is looking great. And trust me, it's going to taste just as great on the smell. Yep. Okay, so, yep, we're finished. We are finished. So, share the breakfast now, eat, and then we'll get ready for the real course of the day. Yeah? One more breadfruit till it. I'm never gonna fry that one. I want to eat it with us. Eat it at the same way. Alright, so breakfast is ready with some fruit punch, eh? Can't beat that, eh? Like a pineapple on the side of the glass. Yep. Enjoy. Let's get ready now to cook dinner.